Hey, it's Steve Jaffe. Pay attention. In the short video, you're going to learn how to become a top producer in any direct sales, party plan, or network marketing business using the internet. Exact formula that I followed to create a six-figure income from home, become a top producer, have $30,000 months, take my business beyond that. Going to start the training in just a moment. At any point, click the link right below this video, enter your email address, get my attraction marketing online recruiting video bootcamp. You'll get videos from me in your inbox, how to generate leads, how to recruit online, how to build a very successful business. Right on that page after you enter your email address. Be sure to get the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. That's right on that page. This is much more thorough, much more detailed than I can ever get to in a video. How to build your business successfully using the internet if you're in direct sales. The author, Fernie Ceballos, 8-figure income earner, MIT graduate, marketing genius. This is the blueprint I followed to hit those $30,000 months. Get this guide. Let's start the training. Step one, build a list. And by list, I mean a list of leads. Generate leads using the internet. You will run out of friends and family to talk to you about your opportunity. You'll run out of people to introduce your product to. You'll run out of people to invite to your home parties. And having done them myself, let me tell you, home parties are a very rough road for most people. Almost nobody who you invite is going to want to host a home party themselves. Those that do, you're going to have to do it for them, hold their hand. You end up running around doing all the meetings, essentially trading time for money, sacrificing lots of your evening time. It's a very rough path, and very rarely do people succeed with that road. A much more robust approach, generate your own leads using the internet. You always have people to talk to. If you trade companies, if you switch companies, you can't take your downline with you, but when you've got your own list of leads, you can promote your next opportunity to them. Step two, warm your list. People online, and really in general, only buy from those they feel like they know, like, and trust. Cultivate trust in advance of asking for the sale. Do not just pitch. The way to do this, send short business tips that will help them grow their business. Just summarize a little bit that you've learned from a webinar in your company or from a training or a course you've gone through or something you read in a book that will help them grow their own business. Be the messenger. You don't need to originate this content. Think of any teacher you've had, elementary school, college. They didn't write the textbook. They just summarized. That's all you need to do. And when you do this consistently, you'll have a very warm audience. Just short tips, emails, blog posts, short videos, live streams, whatever format's the right fit for you. Keep it simple. Be the messenger. You'll have effectively an online warm market. Move on to step three, sell to your list. This is where you recruit them into your opportunity or retail them your products. You can build a very successful business doing this. This is the formula that I followed. This is kind of the overall blueprint from a high level. Got a lot more training for you to really help you out. Click the link right below this video. Enter your email address. Get my online attraction marketing video bootcamp. You'll get training videos from me in your inbox, how to generate leads online, how to recruit reps online, how to sell products online. So you build a very successful direct sales business from home using the internet like I have. This is what I've done to create six figures in my own business. Hit $30,000 months, take my business beyond that. Right on that page after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook that you see on this page. This is the most thorough training guide out there today for direct sales professionals, how to build their business online. Step by step, much more thorough than I can put into a video. The author, Fernie Ceballos, as I mentioned, MIT graduate, 8-figure income earner, basically a marketing genius. Get this guide. Click the link, enter your email address, get trained.